And we're back for a quick recap. Look at how much experience I get each hit. This is, right now, it is 840% experience. 840% SP is what I am getting for each hit. Watch this blast. Boom! Oh, I lagged. You would. There it goes. 1.9 mil. Wow. Now, any minute, I'll go back to 420% SP. My little Chobi warrior's gonna die. I'm going to cry. Little Chobi. You are such a good warrior, Chobi. Chobi, my little warrior baby. You give me many good experience. You give me 420% experience. Mwahaha. I'm literally getting like 2 million a kill.